Once upon a time there was a boy. Danny had always been fascinated by dragons. One day, he decided to search them. He packed his backpack and set off towards the mountains. As he climbed higher, the air grew thinner. After hours of walking, Danny stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside, he found two magnificent dragons, Toucan, a brilliant green dragon with emerald-like scales, and Tusco, a dazzling blue dragon with sapphire-like scales. Toucan approached Danny first, speaking in a deep, rumbling voice. "Greetings, young adventurer. What brings you here?" Danny explained his fascination with dragons, and Toucan smiled. Tusco chuckled, "And maybe you can help us with our favorite pastime, treasure hunting." Danny's eyes widened with excitement as the trio set off on an adventure. They soared through the skies, exploring hidden valleys and secret waterfalls. As they flew, Toucan and Tusco showed Danny their unique abilities. Toucan blended into the foliage, becoming nearly invisible, while Tusco created powerful whirlwinds with his wings. Danny realized that the dragons were not just magnificent creatures, they were his friends. As the sun began to set, Toucan and Tusco led Danny to a hidden cave filled with glittering treasures. "This is our gift to you, Danny," Toucan said. "Remember, friendship knows no bounds, not even those of species or realm." Danny smiled, knowing he'd always treasure the memories of his adventure with Toucan and Tusco.